This is Parvez Ahmed here. I am designing two layout design. One is two input node and another one is O3 AI. First, open two input node circuit. Here, the lambda size is very important for designing a tool. Blue line metal for VDD, another blue line metal for ground. The brown line layer is P diffusion layer. The green line layer is N diffusion layer, which are connected with polysilicon red line layer. That is important that NOL is most important for P diffusion layer compulsory. Then we can put input A, B, and output show with Y. Here simulate the program. I can see the input and output first simulate. I can change the input slowly with time. That is the waveform for voltage with time. The simulation run. When 1 0 output is 0, when 0 1 output is 0. Here a little bit change for when input is 0 0, then output is 1. That is the different waveform signal. Here we can slowly run this waveform. That's it. Finally, I can understand. Another one is O3 AI. Open another circuit diagram. Here it is. That is the similar condition where we have used the tools P diffusion layer, N diffusion layer, the metal. And an important thing is contact are two types. One contact, the P contact, and another contact is N contact. N diffusion layer support N contact and P diffusion layer support P contact. The difference is this diagram contain 4 polysilicon because input signal more than the 2 input node. Simulate the program. We can see the 4 input signal and 1 output signal here. Then change the time. Then slowly our input and output showing the waveform. That is the understanding process where simulation done. Another one is 2 input node. Open 2 input node. Microwind is the very kindly software where layer is supported and showing simulation result with waveform, time versus voltage. Thank you, sir.